Hi everyone! The video you're watching is going to discuss research as part of the Minoría Responsable Comunidades Resilientes project, supported by the National Science Foundation. Scientists and engineers know that humans tend to have a damaging effect on our world. Some processes we use release hazardous substances, or contaminants, into the environment that can migrate into plants and fish and harm people. Remediation is the process of cleaning up or containing contamination so that we reduce and eliminate harmful exposure to a contaminant, often by applying innovative engineering solutions. A remediation project involves the participation of different individuals and organizations to implement a sustainable solution. Currently, though, there isn't a great way to involve all these groups into a project. Local community members are often excluded from a project, even though they may have valuable information that can help it. My research created a way to involve communities into the beginning of a remediation project by combining interviews with a commonly used decision-making tool called a conceptual site model. Last summer, I hopped on a plane and flew to Colombia, living in a rural municipality named Andes, where a small gold mining sector exists that historically used mercury to process gold. A conceptual site model, like the one shown here, organizes the known information about a contaminated site. This conceptual site model is the culmination of extensive interviewing in Andes and explains the site of a gold processing facility from the perspective of miners and other community members. The model explains the site history by showing ball mills that used to contain mercury for gold processing. It also shows large tanks filled with a liquid, which represents the current process of cyanidation that is believed to be less harmful for the environment than mercury use. The model highlights old tailings piles, still contaminated with mercury, that miners identified as the primary source of contamination. My interviewees worried that mercury contamination still poses a threat to downstream residents because mercury might be migrating from these tailings piles into the surrounding soil and rivers, where it can bioaccumulate in fish. Finally, miners expressed anger and concern over the existence of secret processing facilities hidden deep in the mountains, which they said continue to use mercury and directly contaminate rivers. These conceptual site models illustrate the local knowledge on contamination. Community members can help remediation experts by pointing out areas that may need testing, possibly enhancing initial site assessments, and ensuring a project addresses key health and safety concerns of local communities. It is envisioned that this kind of conceptual site model can further be used as a communication tool between different stakeholders who have different levels of technical knowledge and may even speak different languages. Conceptual site models are a versatile tool that can paint a picture of contamination, supporting solutions that are more sustainable and inclusive for cleaning up our planet. Thanks for watching.